Does your home ever feel like it needs a fresh start? Wait until you smell this incredible DIY secret. I love my home. Stop masking odors. Harsh sprays are expensive, and they don't last. Try this instead. It's a total game changer. Introducing toothpaste and baking soda, the unexpected duo that removes odors naturally. Let's create magic. Step 1. Mix the ingredients. The paste traps and eliminates odor molecules, while mint adds that fresh burst. Step 2. Slowly add distilled water. Keep it smooth. This creates our powerful yet gentle cleaning solution. Step 3. Pour the magic into your spray bottle. Shake it well. Your safe, natural, fresh scent is ready. How does it work? It breaks down organic compounds causing odors on fabric fibers without chemical residues. Perfect for curtains, couches, and even shoes. The fresh scent is amazing, like a clean mint grove mixed with morning dew. Your space feels instantly inviting. Bathroom needs a boost? Use it on shower curtains and bath mats too. It's versatile, safe, and long-lasting. Remember safety. Always shake well. For maximum power, use within 2 weeks. Safe for most fabrics. From musty to marvelous, your home smells incredible, inviting, and naturally fresh. Verdict? 100% amazing. Try this total game changer today. Like, comment below, and subscribe for more happy DIY.